Hey munchies, welcome to the channel. If you're new, I'm Alyssia.
And I'm Christian.
And usually you don't see Christian on this channel, but for those of you who don't know, he is my boyfriend and business partner. He actually helps run Mind Over Munch with me, and we have a channel together called Eat the Pizza.
Which you should go check out now. Well, after you watch this video.
After you watch this video, we'll link it in the description box, but we actually have a video going up tomorrow on that channel. That channel is not health related at all. So
it's just pizzas.
To our health, it's not just pizzas, but it's always pizza related, and it's really fun. And actually, speaking to the health freaks out there, this video may not be for you either, because this is a Trader Joe's haul of some of my favorite, well, I can't say favorite, I haven't tested them yet, but this is a Trader Joe's haul for their winter specialty items. I didn't get everything, but I got a lot of things, and I haven't tested most of these, so we'll see how it is.
This is not sponsored, right?
This is not a sponsored video. I just love Trader Joe's and I love Christmas. We're gonna test these together, let you know our thoughts, and I think we'll just get started. Before we get started, ooh, that makes a noise.
It's like a drum.
It's like a drum. Before we get started, I wanted to light up this candle so we could all enjoy the scent. I know there's not smell-o-vision yet, but this is a gingerbread candle, and I have been wanting to light it.
Ooh, it smells so good.
I know, I wish I bought like 12 of these. I'm probably gonna go back and get more, but we were waiting to light it for the filming, so. Okay.
Ooh, it's smelling good. All right.
We're not gonna eat the candle, but we're gonna enjoy it while we try our first item, this winter tea. I have been seeing this winter tea pop up on Instagram, and everybody says it's great, but I haven't tried it, so.
Cheers.
There's black tea, cinnamon, orange peels, licorice, ginger, natural flavors, and cloves. It does taste holiday. It tastes holiday-ish.
Cinnamon.
Actually, I'm not usually an orange person, but I taste the little bit of citrus, and it makes it taste holiday-ish. I want just a little splash of milk. I like milk in my tea.
I want a splash of milk in my tea too.
Cream, I mean. I enjoy that tea. I'm gonna sip on that while we taste the rest.
I gotta say, I'm pleased with the tea.
I'm pleased with the tea. I've been waiting to try these. They smell so good. These are gingerbread molasses cookies, and the dough comes, pre-cut, so you just put the little doughs on and then bake them up.
You're a gingerbread head.
I am a gingerbread freak.
Which I am too, but I feel like this year you've gone heavier on the gingerbread and molasses type cookies.
Yeah, I've been making a lot of molasses crinkles. These look really good, I gotta say. And it's 9 in the morning, and I love being an adult. These are really good. How about a little dip in the tea?
Dip of the tea, taste of the cookie.
A little big for this mug. That is a good combination.
That's really good.
That is really good. These cookies, I mean, I love making homemade from scratch cookies for the holidays, but these are really good to eat. Crispy on the outside, chewy on the inside.
Look, ooh, did you see this? For a big cookie.
What?
Place one dough piece atop another on an ungreased baking sheet and place on center rack, so you can double them, make them double size.
Oh, dang, I didn't even see that.
There are even instructions to make them double size, so highly recommended. I'm about to have another bite of the cookie. Kristen,
Aww.
Baby.
Kristen, do you want a cookie? You can't have one of these cookies, but we did get a cookie for Kristen, because Trader Joe's has these gingerbread flavor dog treats, and they're corn free. Oh, these are actually shaped like little gingerbread guys. Now, I've shared this with you before, some of you may remember, Kristen has liver disease, so we're really picky about what treats we give her. These are not the treats I would typically give her. Not that they're bad, I haven't even really looked at the, flour, oats, molasses. So these actually don't have a lot of protein, which is good for Kristen, who can't consume an excess of protein. But I wouldn't give her these all the time. These would be like a bath time treat. So to keep this moving, we're gonna kind of pair things. These are 2 peppermint items.
Peppermint
Which one should we start with? Let's start with yours.
Cremes, peppermint cremes.
Peppermint cremes.
Dark chocolate covered peppermint cremes.
Like dark chocolate.
I'm not huge on dark chocolate either, but when it's paired with peppermint.
These are soft, creamy, and minty bites. Oh, dang, so it's like a York.
Well, it's actually more like a junior mint. That's what it's like. It's like a junior mint.
The inside is like a junior mint.
Like the Seinfeld episode.
Yeah, these aren't healthy. None of this stuff is healthy, but those are yummy. If you like chocolate and mint, you'll love them.
Yep.
If you don't love dark chocolate, you still might like them because I still think they're pretty good.
If you don't like chocolate or mint, steer clear.
Peppermint bark popcorn. Caramel popcorn coated in dark chocolate and enrobed in a white chocolate and peppermint candy coating.
Ooh, who's doing this copywriting for Trader Joe's? You're killing it.
I love popcorn and I love white chocolate and I love caramel.
I like peppermint.
There is dark chocolate in this, but we'll see. Ooh, that's a pop.
That's got a crispy crunch.
Mmm. So there's a popcorn kernel or a popped piece of popcorn inside.
Oh, that's really good actually.
It actually is so good. The mint is perfect and I love, because of the white chocolate, you don't taste the dark chocolate that much.
Yeah, I'm not usually a huge white chocolate person, but this is very good.
So look, you can see.
Look at this.
There's the popcorn with, I think that's caramel and dark chocolate, and then the white chocolate and peppermint on the outside. Oh, it's really good. We got 2 spreads from Trader Joe's. Now this one I actually bought a while ago and we've been eating. It's the carrot cake spread.
Good.
Oh my gosh, I already know it's so good, but we're gonna taste it again for you. And then this is an apple cider jam. You like apple butter.
I love apple butter is the ultimate spread. Challenge me in the comments. Tell me it's not. No spread can compare, but this may just come close.
Carrot cake, firstly, we've been digging into this quite a bit. Oh, you know what is really good though with this spread? Cream cheese with the spread. It's like carrot cake icing with the carrot cake, but it's savory.
Cheers.
Just as good as I remember. Sweet carrot cake spread on a buttery cracker. This actually tastes like carrots.
Yeah,
like it's not just like a sweet spread. It has a carrot cake flavor. I don't know how they did it.
So this is the one I'm looking forward to the most.
You're looking forward to this one more?
Mmm. It is appley and delicious.
Tastes like apple butter to me.
Me too.
Like the texture even tastes like apple butter. I don't know if it really is a jam.
Like I think it's a little more gelatinous than a regular apple butter, but the flavor is perfect.
It spreads so smooth like a butter. It doesn't spread like thick like a jam.
Wow, that is so good too.
That is really good.
I'm not disappointed at all by that.
All right, so now we have our cold beverages. I had never seen this before. Organic cold pressed Fuji apple spiced cider with cinnamon and clove, not from concentrate. I mean, there's no added sugar. Organic apple juice, cinnamon powder, and clove. That's all it is.
Well, let's taste it up.
Let's taste it up. Mmm, that's yummy. That tastes like kind of like soda-y.
Oh yeah, it is.
It's like a little, it's not carbonated, but.
And it's actually not, like it's sweet. It's really sweet. But
it's really sweet from the juice.
It's not sweet like you'd expect, like
the spices are perfect.
Yeah, wow, that's really good.
Yummy.
Would you like some, Joe?
If you want a healthy Trader Joe's treat, not a bad option. Next up,
the good stuff, Almond Nog.
Christian loves nogs of all kinds. A half cup is 50 calories with 8 grams of added sugar and 1.5 grams of fat. You can see what I'm pouring. It's not as thick.
Ooh, that is very good though. That is very good.
The flavor is great. The difference is the texture.
Right, it's thinner.
It's not as thick. Like when I have eggnog, it's like should get stuck in my mouth almost. It's so thick. So this is not that. This is, you can see it sticks to the glass a little bit, but not much. It's the texture of like thick almond milk.
But I'd say if you're going for a dairy-free eggnog alternative, this is a very good one.
And if you want the flavor of the nog and you want to indulge in it a little bit more frequently, go for it. And the chocolate peppermint almond beverage. Now this is also sneaky. 1 cup is 110 calories with 17 grams of sugar. It doesn't say how much is added, but I imagine a lot. Or your second favorite beverage at Starbucks is a peppermint mocha.
That's right.
So perhaps there's opportunity to mix this with coffee for you. Oh, wow.
Look at that.
That is chocolatey.
Mmm.
I don't taste the mint.
I taste the mint.
Oh yeah, I taste it now. It's like a secondary flavor.
Yeah, and it's not that sweet either, actually.
Yeah, if I'm gonna have chocolate, I want it real sweet because I don't like the bitterness. I mean, it tastes like chocolate milk to me. Like if you didn't tell me it was chocolate peppermint, I don't think I would have noticed the mint as much.
No, it's not that strong a flavor.
We have 2 more, and this is the one I have been wanting to try since I bought these in the store 3 days ago. So let's try the other one first.
All right.
What is this?
This is butter toffee pretzels. This is right up your alley. You're a
I love
pretzel head.
toffee, I love butter, and I love pretzels. Oh man, okay, so they have like a crusty coating on the pretzel.
A crusty coating.
Tastes just like what you think it's gonna taste like. It tastes like they coated the pretzel in butter, dipped it in toffee crumbs.
Wow. That's an outstanding snack.
Oh man. And 9 pretzels, there's 130 calories, 7 grams of added sugar.
Oh, that's not too bad.
This will be the snack that's hard to put down.
Snack of the year.
Yeah. Well, I don't know, we still have this one.
This is what you've been waiting for the longest, for the last 3 days that we've had these
This is what I've been
snacks in
waiting
the
for.
house.
Salty honey toffee milk chocolate covered crackers. Oh, okay. First thing though, I didn't realize they were fully coated in chocolate. Might be too much chocolate for me. I don't want to project, so let's just see how this goes.
The thing is, it is milk chocolate.
I do
which means it's
prefer
gonna
milk
be,
chocolate, yeah. Ready to try it?
Yep. Mmm.
Mmm. It's definitely a saltine in the middle. I don't know, the toffee is good, but I want more. I like the pretzels better. I'm more of a salty sweet. This is salty sweet, but it's more sweet salty.
Yeah. It's like, and the chocolate's a really thick layer of chocolate.
Yeah, I think if there were less chocolate and more toffee, I'd be down. And I gotta say, you know, this box is kind of disappointing because a few of these are broken. Look, like
they're all busted. Look, you
bottom
can just see the saltine in there.
These are okay. I'd say the pretzels are the best. So, best thing you tried today. I have 3 bests.
You have 3 bests?
I have 3
I'm like
bests.
trying to pick one. You're like, I got 3.
Okay, I have 3 bests.
What are your 3?
My 3 best were the winter tea, the gingerbread cookies, and the toffee pretzels.
I would say the gingerbread cookies and the winter tea are both like #1. Those are awesome. And the apple cider spread.
So that is our Trader Joe's Holiday Haul taste test. I hope that you enjoyed it. Of course, I couldn't get all of the Trader Joe's holiday treats. They had so many, but I would have spent literally hundreds of dollars. So, and this video would have been like 3 hours long. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. If you want more videos like this where it's kind of more casual and maybe Christian is up here with me and we're talking to you, let me know in the comments. And if you did like this format, definitely check out our other channel, Eat the Pizza. We've got an episode going up tomorrow. Thanks so much for being here. I will see you next week. And remember,
it's all a matter of mind over much.
now I need a cookie.
Get a cookie. I need a sip of tea.
These are so good.
I gotta have a sip of tea.